Hey everyone, this is Brittany with Usborne Books and More. I wanted to show you our Look Inside Space book. They have 3 different types of Lift the Flap books in this kind of collection. Peek Inside, Look Inside, and See Inside. The Look Inside books are for children 4 and up. Very little text, mostly illustrations. So you lift the flap right here, and a lot of the Look Inside books actually have flaps inside of flaps. So this is great for that little kid that you have that just absolutely loves space. So this is one of those books that has a flap inside of a flap. It has just a little bit more information on it. And then the moon, and then another flap right here. Really neat book. Talks about on the moon, on the space station, the sun, the different planets, space questions. How did the universe begin? Does anything live on the other planets? Talks about there might be aliens. So anyway, thank you for watching.